West Karbi Anglong along LPG distributor KP Kaboche Abuta KSA atum Deputy Commissioner Aphan Pinpur alo Kipajir. Diffu Farmers Growth Center along Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha Pen District Executive Amai Kepa. Lamet Guru Rongbong Terang My Poetry My Voice Ahir Jirathui Ingpu si Hirjir Aning Kedok Aradapan Kapano. Karbi Prime Time Long Pen Libertad Hanbang Thare Harmony Be Non Bertang Ton Pen Arjigta West Karbi Anglong along LPG distributor KP Kaboche Aputak Pai Pai Pli Arni KSA atum Deputy Commissioner Aphan Epak Pinpur alo Pajirsi Akimi distributor Aphan Chunungri alo Phatunang Jipusi Kehang Pado Pachetak alu along Akoy alam Kepaklang Atengki West Karbi Anglong Lapen Nogong district Palong ni a district along Kido atumsi LPG distributor Kelong LPG distributor KPG alam Vusik Inkora Hini Arni Asamis Abirta alu along Pilo Bonta Asamis Abirta alo Kelang Tekte Abangpu Aphai Ongmuna Ajok LPG distributor Aphan Chunungri alo Mate Tender Jokdun Longwang Medalu Pusi KSA atum Ningje
Nilitum Karbilo Charlia Song Tiripi Ahin Pen Nilitum Pini Hamren district Mate West Karbi Anglong district Adisi Aphan Nilitum Pinpur alo Pidamik alo Lasilaso Pinpur alo long Nilitum Kejongdam Alam Thibang Kalapuhin lo LPG like liquid petroleum gas Laso Buthak all Assam pen 62 pus do Laso pus abang Karbi Anglong Phan Make pus near cap pilo pus near cap ang bong pen Nilitum West Karbi Anglong along S OBC Phan bang pus near pus bang big dep lasi laso putha bang Nilitum hin pen chekoy nekhe lasi laso bang ke puthot ST Phansi mate 60 area indigenous Phansi pinangji local indigenous Phansi lasi la OBC Phan ki pibang Nilitum hin pen matuni ta chekoy nekhe la pen Nilitum pini bang Hamren district mate West Karbi Anglong district adisi Phan Nilitum Pinpur lo Pidamik elo la pen laso tender bang ke puthot aro ke kol thunangi Phansi pini la media hin pen mane pachini pon
Karbi Anglong Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha Pen Pai Pai Pli Arni Diffu Farmer Growth Center along District Executive Amai Pado Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Rohang Maya Long Alui Sarpo Aman Pen Chitongdun Alangli Alui Sarpo Alamjir alo BJP ke Arona Phan ke pathe asong lapen kilik mate election kachephai Aphan Anchot Kali Pusi Ningje Riso Nimso Mar Aphan Mesen Akamsi claim nang jiputa Alangli Maya Long Ningje Iye Mamor Singh Tiso MSC Ram Singh Timu State Yuva Karbi Anglong Kelang Arpukido Mate Dunmaipu Taranka Gogoi IT Cell Kelang Abangphi Mimo Das Yuva Morcha Karbi Anglong District Amaipu Longki Ronghang Konchun Bang Ripa Hojai Lapen Ari Sangho Otum Mayalong Chitongdun Diffu Jambli Literary Foundation Pen Pai Pai Pli Arni Luralangso Rangsina Sarpo Auditorum Hall along My Poetry My Voice Ahir Jirathui Kangpu Amai Pado Jambli Literary Foundation Abidisa Lamet Po Joycing Tokbi Chepaimpu Amai along Lamet Kuru Rongbong Terang Arideng Pensi My Poetry My Voice Ahir Jir Atu Ingpusi Hirjir Aning Kedok Ahampang Aphan Panongpi Hirjir Kangpu Amai along EM Barim Surjo Rongphar Aphan tiri kam amai pen kartu asaita padopon Hirjir kihir angbong kepado Hirjir kangpu amayalong Assam University Diffu Campus English Department Athanbang Bisnu Charan Das Assamese Department Athanbang Hiramana Das Kabaya Kamal Anong E Kelong Abangpu Saret Hanse Kolongsir Ahirbang Duneswar Ingtipen Chenglok Oikimi Oibari Ahirbang Atum Chitongdun Nilmalam support han birtamu Ington Poniksina
Please tap in Ishan Motors, a showroom cum sales point of Royal Enfield opposite of Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Dilaji Branch, Rongkhilan, Diffu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For more details, please contact 97748 73915, 7896 169021 or 957 988 008.
আজিকালি যিকোনো পাৰ্টি মানে কাঞ্চ জুচ বাইদি বেটো কমলাটো খাইছিলি না আনাৰসৰটো পাহাৰীয়া কমলা আৰু আনাৰসৰ পৰা তৈয়াৰ কৰা কাঞ্চ জুচ সম্পূৰ্ণ বিশুদ্ধ কাঞ্চ জুচ খাওক জীৱনৰ মজা লওক
Kanj Juice.
Atorkimi Outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, and grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkimi Outlet opposite Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Kanj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecho ason la penthesire alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji kang tirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecho ajam thu tharmit adu thelua kreng chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji
Dihina Mupi Putat Birdalong Pangtulo West Karbi Anglong Bolthol Along Pai Pai Pli Erni Self Help Group Atumaphan Chiti Malan Khangra Lapen Vukakaso Ronpon Rongkhang Constituency Aradaphan Kepanong Hormu Keron Amayalong MEC Horan Singh Be Chetondu Kidam Tang MEC Kiliga Hod Lamchak Kachipi Atengsi Constituency Along Kido Self Help Group Atumaphan Hormu Ronsi Lamchak Chepapleng Lopusi MEC Horan Singh Be Ningje Rongkhang BJP Mondal Committee Amaipu Prodip Rongpi Chepahin Pupen Kepado amay along BJP pen penan asongja atum chetong dun. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council akiban Secretariat Conference Hall along Pai Pai Pli Erni Executive Committee Meeting. Padu pusi News along Biltanang Pale. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Rohang Chepahim Pupen Kepado Executive Committee Meeting along EM Principal Secretary Joint Secretary atum chetong dun. Teke Langjun ME School along Pai Pai Pli Erni Kichengsi Korganthi Youth Development Committee Mate KYDC Karjab Arni Talon Pusi News along Biltanang Pale Karjab Arni along Pachetonsi Bidesi Ingti Aphan Maipu Lapen John Singh Tiso Aphan Content Bang Arpu Pathesi KYDC Asarti Akimi Thap 2 Mailong ASDC Amaipu Mongwe Rongpi Content Bang Laichan Ingleng Lapen Ari Sanghotum Chetong Dun
KYDC long live, long live, long live. KYDC pantang na, pantang na.
Karbi Prime Time Mangalan Pansi Kangton Paniglo Dumit Thakme Kardom